What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, about to do something different to the M2, and that's going to be rapid. So you saw on the video, once I got the windows tinted, I was asking y'all what color I should do, and I got burgundy, purple, or orange. I personally like purple, y'all know that, but y'all will see at the end of the video. So now I just washed the car 2 days ago. It's hot outside, pollen flying everywhere. Took it to a car show, ran into a lot of bugs. Now I gotta wash it again, and it was 80 degrees that day. Now it's 30 something degrees and snowing right now, and it's windy. So now I gotta be out here and get this washed right now, because the car is going away tomorrow. Be gone for about a week with my new wrap, so we'll get a new color on the car. So excited about that. But let me get this done, because it's too cold out here to be messing around with this. So get it done, get it prepped for tomorrow, put it in the garage. So all this pollen and stuff, well, now the pollen's probably not going to be thriving out here because it's too cold for it to grow. But let me get this car clean so we can get the car wrapped, because it's got to be clean for the vinyl to be able to adhere to the car. Just one day, we got water spots on here, tree crap, all these bugs I splat a whole lot of bugs. Now the car is dirtier than it was before, but we'll get it clean real quick. All right, it's time to drop the M2 off. So got things set to go. Wife's gonna drop me off, and about to be driving the Integra for about a week or so, however long it takes to get this thing wrapped. So car's all clean. It's cold out here. You see I was wearing short sleeves. Now I got on the hat because it was snowing today and yesterday when I washed the car. That was brutal. Well, let's get over to Nate's house and talk, and then, well, for you all, it will only be a few more minutes before the car is revealed. But for me, I got to sit here for a whole week. All right, we back here. Oh, crap. Got the dogs back here. It was up to the camera. All right, so I'm about to aggravate them. So I'll be back in a few days. Get the car. I don't even want to get a sneak peek or anything of it. So I'll just see it all when it's done. Got my Lyft driver right here to take me to pick up the car. In a rare escort wagon. Haven't seen one of these. Well, I see it a lot. Y'all don't. You don't got no power locks on here?
No, ain't got no power nothing on here.
Power nothing now? How you got a power seatbelt with no power lock?
Huh?
You got a power seatbelt with no power locks.
Yeah. Power lock. No power windows.
Uh-oh. No power windows? No. Oh, man.
Put that back there for me.
Just throw that thing, just yeet it back there. You need to get the BMW working. This ain't cutting it.
So this ain't cutting it, huh?
No, I need some more luxuries in my life. Now you done lost the keys.
I ain't lost the keys. I always have my keys.
I'm getting hot. I can roll my window down. I don't even gotta wait for you.
Yeah.
Wonder how many lawsuits they got on these. Should be able to see the car somewhere. I'm not even looking. Oh, I see it right there.
That's it right there?
Uh-huh. There it is.
Boy. What, you changed the rims on it?
Oh, the rims been that color.
That BMW wrapped it for real, ain't it?
Yeah. What's going on, Nate? What up, yo, man? Man, that didn't even look real seeing it.
I swear to you, I've been looking at the pictures and it still just look like a picture. It don't look, it don't look real.
I had looked up out the camera. I'm like, dang, that's it.
I didn't know what color you wanted to go with the door handle, so I stopped.
Door handle.
I was gonna go black, but I laid it on there and I'm like, it's a black spot in the middle of all the color. So
right.
It was like white kind of brings your color together better than black would. But you know, that's up to you. That's something you can always bring it back.
Okay.
I'll knock that out in the day if you want to go a color with them. Because I couldn't really match the design on the door handles just because it'll throw everything off.
Man, we gotta. What y'all think we should do with the door handle? What color? It will look weird just being black, or it will look weird just being green. I don't know.
Yeah, that's where I was stuck because I'm like, no matter what you do, it's kind of
it's man.
It'd probably be better off if it'd be green.
Okay, you said green.
Yeah, it'd be green.
Man,
Match the rest of the colors, you know.
Liking this. I'm gonna get a full reveal outside the yard, but man, what you think, Jimmy?
Oh, the
whole car.
Oh, well, it's okay.
It's okay. This is amazing.
Yeah, you wrapped all that. You know? The front looks real nice.
I like that.
Yeah, the front is really nice.
The colors on this pop so hard.
Yeah.
I'm like, even still, when I look at it, just look. It don't look real. It looked like you just photoshopped it and you just sat it there.
Right. I was looking at it like my eyes playing tricks on me. Gold really looks good with it. I like that. Y'all did y'all thing on there.
It's kind of like a picture for real.
Yep.
Let me see the jams and all that.
Yeah, I just ran a little black right there at the end so you can see. You know,
oh yeah.
It ain't highlighted in white.
Yeah, what to do with those door handles though? It might
come out probably, like I said, maybe bring it back and they do it in a green.
I'm thinking green. The other side is the same exact too, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, probably. It might be green.
It don't look like, you got to look at it close, look at the emblem on it instead.
Yep.
It don't look like a BMW, do you no more?
Yeah, it's the emblem on there, you know. You couldn't tell if it wasn't for the emblem on there.
We can get your car lined up next.
Oh man, no. Hey, that's right here. They only got 72,000 miles on it. It is a 1996.
Time to do the reveal on this wrap. So it's a little story behind it. Now I get to it. But first, shout out to Nate for getting this done, helping me bring my vision to life. Shout out to Tanda. She's the one that helped me design this. So me and Nate, our first design, we had a couple designs. So it started to be like with all the colors in my logo, the blue, green, red, the purple, and got a couple greens, whatever the colors, and the gray. And we started to make it like a Thanos thing where he snaps his fingers and everything just goes to like a gradient thing disappearing. You know how Thanos does. Also, shout out to my guy Chip. Helped me with the title of this video. Masterpiece. So I started off, I just wanted all the colors of my logo to be all in the wrap. And then starting to look at it, talking with the designer, it was kind of hard to like make it all blend into one thing. So we I'm gonna get to the wrap in just a second, even though y'all saw some of it already, but gotta get to the story first. So colors didn't work. Well, all the colors in my logo, they thought it was for a specific reason. That's not what it is. So I still wanted all of my colors though, but it was kind of hard to just mesh them to work, because it was kind of like I wanted everything next to each other, like blue next to purple, next to green, next to red. It's hard to get them to blend in together. So I was like, let me just do purple and green. Those are my two colors, top two colors, and make it work into one thing. So we started off with an initial design. So let me show y'all this. So this is the side. This is the part where we had to work on the most, because I'll show y'all the first couple of designs. I liked the first one, and then they had a revision, and then there was a third one. I wasn't feeling that at all. And then we started working on this one. I made it like, I told her it's got to like blend in with each other, because it was kind of like a hard line where the purple and the green split up. So explaining this wrap real quick. So cue to chaotic. Never explain the chaotic part. It kind of speaks for itself, but probably what you think it is what it's not. So chaotic, like, yeah, drive cars fast, chaos, things of that nature. So the chaotic part in my channel's name is more so, it's not about speed and just being crazy and stuff. It's about the chaos theory, aka the butterfly effect. So, you know, things like, if this wouldn't have happened, what would have happened if that would have happened? Just the unknowns and things of that nature. Like if JFK wasn't wearing a back brace in the back seat of that car and he could have ducked, what would have happened after that? Or if somebody didn't bully a certain German, what would have happened after that? Things of that nature. So that's what the chaotic is about. These little spirals, and I had a bunch of designs, but this worked out really well. So this is like a visual representation of the chaos theory. So chaos theory, not to nerd out on y'all, but how things go in order, and the butterfly effect is like a visual representation of what you can do to draw it. And this is just more of that. So it's another name for these spirals. It's another law and whatnot, but this is what it is. This is how we made it work on the car. And it worked out really well. Like the way the colors blend. I wanted the light and the dark green and the purples. And there's even some blue in here too. I'm not a huge fan of blue, and I'm thankful that blue didn't come out too much. But this is like an optical illusion. I don't even know if it even shows up on camera, but I didn't notice that this was blue. I noticed this was blue, it's very dark, and even this up here is green, very dark. But like that's a little sliver of it, then it turns into the dark purple, and then we got the light purple up here. So this is just all one huge wrap. So this thing is, it was pretty difficult to put together, I would imagine. And then I know I was saying burgundy. Shout out to Race Car Friends and the rest of the MOC, including Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1 Elite, 100 Gang Night. Shout out to those guys. The little white is still like the dots. Now I have to show the picture on the screen, but they kind of look like bokeh balls. If you're into photography, you know what those are. When you get light out of focus, they look like these fuzzy balls right here. And that's what these are. And it just works pretty well, man. I love it. It looks bright and it goes well with the gold. So I wanted burgundy and I wanted orange as well, and I wanted satin. There was so many things that I wanted, but it's hard to like get your thoughts into like from abstract to going concrete, and this is what it turned out to be. But this thing looks crazy to me. I can't even believe it looks like this. It looks better in real life. It doesn't, like, hopefully in pictures it doesn't look fake, because I was looking at Nate's phone, it didn't even look like an actual car. It looked Photoshopped. But this is the actual car, and it just looks like that. The first glance, I'm like, dang. Like, I had to look outside of the camera to make sure I was seeing what the camera was seeing. Thankfully, Tanda was able to get involved, because what me and Nate came up with, it didn't work on that first iteration. And then we had great design concepts, but she helped bring that all together. And we spoke for a minute, like a couple hours, just going over everything that I did want. Because it was going to be like blobs of paint with all the color. But then I'm like, that's straying away from what I originally wanted. I'm like, back to the chaos theory. I'm going to stick with what I wanted, go for what I wanted, what my heart was intent on, and that's what this is. So let's let the B-roll flow. So I'm gonna need y'all help on this one little part. This door handle, we were putting like pieces of vinyl up to it to figure out what to do with it. Black just really doesn't work, because it's like this is like all one piece. The whole car is like one big piece. So it kind of throws the flow off, because it's like gradient right here. Flows from like dark green to light green. And then it has the like designs of the white swirls going around in the background. It's kind of hard to just slap a piece over here. Black wouldn't do it. White looks okay. We got a couple different green pieces. Like, I don't know if you saw the GTO, like where it had the matte finish on there in green. That almost works, but it blends in with like this part of the car, so it wouldn't match this part of the car. And there's another green with like, but it has like the designs in the wrong spot. So should I keep it white, black, have the design off with the green, or what? Y'all drop a comment and let me know, because I can't figure it out. That's going to end today's video. I just wanted to show you guys this wrap, because the car has been gone for a little over the week, and I don't know if anybody noticed, but I've been churning out other content that's been, man, I'm being worn out, and I got to upload this video today within like the next 2 hours. So got to put this together and get it ready for you all. But let me know what's your favorite part of the car. I think my favorite part, I think I like the rear of the car the most, man, because I really like green. Man, I like purple too. I actually like purple more than green, but this just looks so good to me, man. Dang. And now that's why I got the license plate Chaotic. So to the people that wanted me to get the Toyota, the Muncie Toyota sticker taken off, you happy now? It's off now. I was just waiting for this, because I could have done it, but it was about to get wrapped anyway, so why not just wait for him to do it? Hope you enjoyed today's upload. Give me a big thumbs up on this one, please. I need it, because this wasn't cheap at all. But onward march, so we got to move forward, go to some car shows. Told y'all I'm doing some things with this car, and that's what the goal is, to do more, be seen more, and get out there, man. Shout out to this fuchsia color too. I got some shoes that matches this really well, now that I think about it. But I'm going to leave you all with that. Goodbye to the Alpine white BMW. Hello to Q the Chaotic's dream right here. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Man, that gold looks really good too. So I think gold worked the best with green and purple. Gold clashes with orange. It'll work with burgundy, but to get burgundy with either of these colors, I didn't want to look like a Christmas car. And man, purple and burgundy, nah, it don't look that good together. But there we have it. Check out my channel, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out. I'm over here snapping pictures. I see this big peasant or pheasant. I always get those mixed up. Same thing. Look at this big bird over here, y'all. Hello. Hey, birdie. Like a mother bird doing something. Let me make sure I don't get attacked by another one. That thing is pretty big. Let me leave it alone. I ain't trying to be attacked out here.